Hello everyone, this is Chris from Gbpusd Academy. I'm here to give a trade forecast for British pound US dollar. The first forecast I would say, which I'll be very confident of, is stay away from the market is very weak, because this very week is a consolidation week using quarterly theory. It therefore means that there's bound to be a lot of liquidation on the lower time frame. That means a lot of bullish engulfing will fail, a lot of bearish engulfing will fail, a lot of morning stars will fail. In other words, these entering patterns or entering signals become liquidity this very week. What do I mean? You will see things that will take place here. A lot of highs, a lot of lows will be taken out. These highs and lows that are taken out, these highs and lows that are taken out will become liquidity. So the best thing would have been, the first forecast would have been stay away from the market is very weak. The other thing would be to understand what the market has done. So in case you want to see trade is very weak, you will now trade based on what the market has done, understanding what the market has done. So what do I mean? Like for example, if I want to take the movement from this very zone here, this zone here to this very zone, let me look at it. Okay, this becomes comes here, goes up, comes here, goes up, comes here. Argue with this is 2 years open. 2 years open is at 1.2683 or 80 thereabout. So this is what the market has done, coming down to the downside. But now, if you look properly, you observe that this very zone here has been mitigated. And if this very zone here has been mitigated, it therefore means that this here is invalid. If this one has been mitigated, it therefore means that it will be easier for this very zone to be invalidated. And of course, when price was coming here, price is invalidated this very zone. So what do we now have now? Based on what price has done, this very one will now become, because of this very zone here was mitigated. So this one here is invalid. So now understanding what price has done. If you now understand what price has done, that can now give you a premises for you to now say, okay, this is what price could now do based on what price has done. If this is what price has done, therefore means that this very zone here becomes liquidity. Liquidity. It therefore means that we should be expecting that we should be expecting that this very zone here is now going to be invalidated for any sale to take place. Therefore, that this very zone here that is actually selling, after a while, here will be invalidated. So this one here is actually inducement, inducing people to come and sell market. So when they sell, they'll be taken out. So what are the likely zones for price to buy the market? This very zone here, 4 hours time frame. What are the likely zones for price to sell the market? This very zone here. Another good place for price to sell the market is above this one, this year's open. And of course, we don't really, I don't really see price going above this very zone, probably this very week, but one can never tell. So a zone for actually buying the market will be at this very zone here, and this very zone, which is at the 4 hours. Let's check the 1 hour. Let's see if there's a confluence here. Okay, on the 1 hour, there's a confluence. So there's a 4 hours imbalance here, there's a 1 hour imbalance here. There are daily lows here that needs to be taken out for price to move to the upside. I honestly believe that price will move to the downside and take out these very highs before price will think of actually coming down again. I expect that in the long term, when I say long term, I'm saying, let me see, 2 months, 3 months, thereby I expect price to come down as low as 1.22 thereabouts. So if we come out to 4 hours. I initially took this trade before, but I pulled out later because I observed that it wasn't actually a good trade to be taken. I rather wait for price to come to this very zone to buy, or rather wait for price to come to this very zone, get a confirmation to actually come to the downside, or just simply stay away from the market. But however, the choice is left for you. If you lose money, it's not someone that is losing money. It is you that will lose money. When you lose money, I will not cry. They will not cry. So you should be the one that is very, very, very cautious. Be cautious of this very week. Hope you enjoyed the video.